Hey y'all, happy October 1st, happy spooky season. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all enjoyed my little intro because I had fun making it, y'all. I can't wait to do some more Halloween looks. But today, clearly, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did the look that was just in the intro. So, yeah, first I'm just priming my eyes with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's the only thing that I've been using for like over a year now at this point. It's in the color 110 Fair. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out and show y'all the rest next. Also, I want to say this was the inspiration picture right here. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just about to cut my crease with the same concealer. I have hooded eyes, so I just have to take my concealer really high up. So if you have hooded eyes, just make sure you drag your concealer up pretty high so it won't crease. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow to I guess just clean up the look. And then I'm gonna take my neon pigment stack from the makeup plug. I've used this in a good amount of my videos by now. So yeah, I love this stuff. And I just always put it in the top because it's just easier to use less. And I'm just gonna put that all over where I have the concealer. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking a Garnier micellar water to clean up under my eye. And then we're about to get ready to make the little spider web. And I'm just going to use the same concealer, of course. And yeah.
like like how you were a kid again and you didn't take everything so serious. Like just have fun on your dates. Don't talk about serious issues and stuff like that. Like actually joke.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just using the same green eyeshadow and just putting it on the spider web. And y'all gonna see me like get some of it off with a Q-tip. And then at one point I smacked my face, y'all, trying to get the dust off, but that didn't really work. So don't do that. don't go smack yourself. It's not gonna work. Another thing that I want to say to y'all, don't drag this stuff down. Just like press it on. If you drag it, it's probably just not gonna apply its best. Like pat it on there, okay? That's why y'all see me using like the tip of the brush, because I was like patting it on. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the crayon case Sharp Me eyeliner to make the lines around the spider web. So um this is kind of like the same thing I was saying with my butterfly makeup tutorial. Um just go slow with this and be patient if you're just not used to working with eyeliner like that. So you won't try to make too many mistakes, and don't press too hard on your face. Use a light hand, and you'll see how I got my pinky resting on my face. That might work for you too. So just do whatever feel comfortable for your hands.
The gospel because somebody got to do it. But anyway, you guys about to waste my time. So you got my warning.
All right, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about this look. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all notifications.